Today we're gonna unbox the Coach Rowan Satchel handbag and matching wallets. Okay, let's unbox it. This is from their signature line. Wow. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that beautiful color. Wow,
Beautiful
look at the
color.
brown.
Brown
Look at the
and,
Coach C logo with the red emblem. Looks really good. That brown and red really goes well together. This is the handbag. Okay, it comes with a strap too. Wow, look at this padding. Okay, let's open it up. Wow, everything out here. So much stuff.
so much. They put something in.
Let's see how many pockets is in here.
They put something on.
Okay. Oh, I don't know what this little pocket is for. Oh, this is just the emblem. Okay. See? Enough room in here. Oh, here's a little pocket. See? This way you can put your bills in here. Wow. More stuff. And any pockets outside? No? Oh, another pocket in here. See? You can put your keys and coins. That's very nice. Now let's open up the wallet. Yeah, it's supposed to be matching color. Look at that. Shiny. Coach New York. Oh, and what's this? Oh, that is the Coach tag. Oh, this is the keychain tag, I think.
The tag name.
Yeah. Oh, here is the model number. See? Okay, yeah, take that out.
It's the same color.
Yeah, same color. Look at this. Oh, open it up so we can see how many pockets in here. See? Couple of little pockets where you can put your ID cards or maybe coins. It's quite cute. See? Perfect matching pair. So if you guys looking for the Coach brand of small handbag and matching wallet, definitely give these two pair a look. Do you like it?
Yeah. Really like this.
Yay!